2004 Kia Spectra front bumper, using front bumper paint job using universal silver metallic first coat, tack coat. Yep. It's coming out a little splotchy, not liking it at the moment. Yep, something's going on with this can. Let's see, I'm going to adjust the nozzle. I'm going to use it as a tack can, but I don't think I'll use it for the second and third coat because it's dripping pretty nasty. I'm tempted to just stop it and get a refund, but we'll see. I'm going to work with what I got. Yeah, it's really splotchy. Big old mess, but it's a tacker. At least it's not dripping on the panel. But it is coming out mighty wet though. Yep, see? Yeah, I have a couple other cans. Something must have happened to it. Oh well. I'll call that the first coat done.